Hello everyone, I had a comment and somebody was asking, can you do a review about the weathered model that you were showing in the video of the Diecast Masters Catalog 2021? Yes, I can. So here it is, Diecast Masters. I'm not sure what type this is. Well, wait a minute. I do have a similar one right here, but I'm not sure. Tractor. Yeah, is an excavator. But this is from the brand Norscot, and it has rubber tracks and a different bucket, and it's not weathered. I think the Diecast Master is also a 365 BL excavator, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm not an expert in those kind of machines. Anyways, let's have a look at the weathered version. Yes, it's custom. You can't buy it in store like this. So you need to buy a non-weathered model and then find somebody who can do it like this. Or maybe you can do it yourself. That is even better. The bucket is also customized. This is a bigger bucket than a normal. And I asked for it. And the person that made this said I can do it. It looks very well done. I like it with the metal color and a little bit black and a little bit damaged here on the side. Also the tracks, nice, muddy and rusty. I like that. Very well done. This one I placed later, so it's not weathered, but that's no problem for me. It still looks pretty good. You can buy these separately. I think nowadays you can easily 3D print these cages protection. A little bit of a scratch here and a scratch there. Yeah. Very well done. The tracks are also moving, as you can see. Mud all over the place. Very cool, right? Yes, this is also moving. So everything is working, and you can also rotate this 360. And here you can see Diecast Masters. Doesn't say what type it is. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure, but I think somebody who will watch this video knows exactly what type this is. For me, it was also important that there was a matching articulated truck, also muddy, of course. And let's place this down. And let's have a look at this one. This one is from Norscot. Yeah, same person who weathered this vehicle as the one here. So yeah, this comes non-weathered. Let's be honest, a construction machine needs to be weathered. Woo. So here you see how it's supposed to be. New from the factory. 150 scale. Excavator is also 150 scale. Norscot and Diecast Masters, both one of my favorite brands from 150 scale construction machines. Yeah, this is also very well done. Nice and muddy. No opening part. Good rolling wheels. Gray interior. No operator. I like it when there is an operator inside. Diecast Masters most of the time has operators in the mining machine vehicles. And maybe also some of the other models. I think we've seen it in the catalog of the 2021 catalog. Also nice and muddy here. Yeah, and I can make a very nice photo with these two together. Let's see. So you can do something like this and then a little bit of sand and mud in it, no problem. And that's going to be a very nice photo. And I also have some 150 scale figures. Where do I have a 150 scale figure? Well, I have one right here. See, on the mining machine. And I also have a set right here. Those are 150 scale construction workers. So they will fit perfect next to these. Okay, then I'm going to open the non-weathered version. A little bit of space. Oh, there is still a tape. Yeah, where do I bought these models? I bought these models. Well, this one is actually from the person that weathered the 150 scale machine. This one I bought on a marketplace in the Netherlands. Sorry, I have to do this off camera. Not that exciting. So, let's do it like this. So here is the non-weathered version. A lot less exciting, in my opinion. Still a beauty. And it has rubber moving tracks instead of metal. I prefer metal tracks. That's more realistic. And you see this one comes without a cage protection. Nice with all the hydraulic. Does this one have hydraulic? Yes, this one also has hydraulic. Yeah, and the bucket is much smaller. I like that big one. Really cool. What does it say? There's a number. Not sure what it's for. And here we got Norscot group. Pretty much the same. Also heavy diecast model it is. Yeah, very nice. Do I have more 150 scale machines? Well, yeah, I have to go back over here. Maybe you already saw it when I showed you the figures. So I got this one. This is also beauty. Maybe I'm going to weather this one as well. Who knows? And I got this one. I think I did reviews about this one. Yeah, definitely. They're really great models. I also did a review about this one, this one, this one, and this one. Lately I bought this one in yellow and I bought this one in yellow, and the review is coming soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share, and have a very nice day. See you later.